Hey, Apple fans, are you ready for some exciting news? The 2024 Apple iPad Mini 7 is almost here, and it's packed with some incredible new features and upgrades. From powerful new chipsets to improved display technology, this compact device is set to impress. Stay tuned as we dive into all the details you need to know about the new iPad Mini 7. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. First up, let's talk about what's inside the iPad Mini 7. Apple is gearing up to include the innovative A17 Pro or A18 Pro chipsets in this model. These processors promise enhanced performance and efficiency, giving you a faster and more responsive experience. The potential rebranding to iPad Mini Pro signals a shift towards a more professional and powerful device, making it perfect for both casual users and professionals. Now, let's move on to the display. While we're all hoping for OLED screens in future models, the 2024 iPad Mini 7 will retain the standard LED display. However, Apple might introduce a ProMotion display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling, more responsive touch interactions, and an enhanced viewing and gaming experience. It's a significant upgrade that will make a big difference in everyday use. Apple is also addressing some user concerns with the new iPad Mini 7. Remember the jelly scrolling effect. Advanced screen manufacturing techniques will eliminate that issue, ensuring a smoother and more consistent experience. Plus, the front camera is expected to be repositioned horizontally, which is great news for video calls and selfies. These changes make the iPad Mini 7 even more versatile for work and play. So, when can you get your hands on the iPad Mini 7? Apple is likely to announce it in mid-September 2024 with availability by late September. The starting price is anticipated to be around $499, but if it's rebranded as the iPad Mini Pro, we might see a slight price increase. New storage options like 128 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes will also be available, catering to all your storage needs. In conclusion, the 2024 iPad Mini 7 is shaping up to be a fantastic upgrade. With advanced chipsets, potential rebranding to iPad Mini Pro, and improved display technology, it promises a top-notch user experience. Apple is clearly committed to enhancing their devices, and we can't wait to see this new model in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace out.